Sometimes when I don't know a word, I look it up. Elegant, meaning it is streamlined. It's light. Like a Formula One race car, guys, is elegant. All right? A big-ass Mustang with a loud exhaust that's driving around your neighborhood waking you up. Maybe it is you that has that car. That's great. I'm happy for you. But that's not elegant. That's the opposite of elegant. We want to be a Formula One race car, which means we don't have a radio. We don't have a booming stereo. Any noise that comes out of the back end of our car is because we're moving fast, not just to make noise. And elegant sales is what's going to make us money. And that is calling to see if it makes sense. But no, it doesn't. I'm super slammed. No, right now I can't do it. Totally understand. What's a good next step? That's elegant. What's a good next step? Right? Well, I don't know. Right? Or what's a good next step for me? Right? Well, call me Thursday. Perfect. I'll call you Thursday. Well, I just don't know. Right? How about we do this? Let me resend you over that summary of the current situation, capabilities needed, next steps, and then I'll call you 2 weeks from today if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? Sure. And Mike, I'm not trying to. Now all of a sudden the tables turn because you were elegant. Right? I'm not trying to blow you off. No, I know you're not. I know you're busy. Right? Mission gets you into a career you can love. I have no doubt that you're a perfect fit for what we've got going on here. But again, only you can make that decision, and I understand you're busy. I'll send everything over to you right now. Right? Oh, thanks, Mike. Right? And then next thing you know, you get a call from them like way early. They're like, I thought about it. I talked to my spouse. We're ready to go. Cool. Welcome aboard. What happens next? Right? What happens next is elegant. Right? What happens next? I'm going to shoot you over the pre-employment package. You're going to fill that out. And then somebody from my team will give you a call here before the end of the day. Fair enough? Right? Boom. It's elegant, elegant. Elegant is the word of the day, guys.
If you need to triple your sales and triple your income to truly enjoy your life, boom, I've got you covered. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass. I'm going to cover all the cost for you. It's normally $300. I got you covered. Click the link in my bio. That is going to help you start closing more deals right now. And then we're going to talk about getting you access to Easton University. It's the most skillful and effective way for you to communicate, for you to get attention, for you to handle objections, for you to network. Everything that you're going to need to triple your sales and, most importantly, triple your income so you can finally start having the life you want to have. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to buy the closing course for you. We'll talk about getting you on Easton University. Your life, it's about to get a lot better.